Hi, I'm Brian from East River Pilates, and this is The Right Way with Well+Good. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to do a reverse plank, which is so helpful for strengthening our back bodies and activating the posterior chain from head to toe. Now, I'm gonna show you the 3 most common mistakes I see in the reverse plank. Let's get into it. First, those shoulders are up by the ears. Not good for our posture. 2, those hips are very low towards the ground. 3, we bend those knees. Now I'm gonna show you the right way. First things first, use the backs of those arms and the postural muscles. Lift up, open the chest, and keep those shoulders away from the ears, engaging down the backs of the arms and lats. Second, lift those hips, use the glutes here. Find how they can really help you open the pelvis. 2, we want to keep a soft bend in the knees, but not too bent. Find a nice activation of the hamstrings and find that long position here. And that is how we do it the right way. For more right ways, subscribe to Well+Good.